In the previous classes, we have seen regarding what is compass survey, what are the basic definition, meridian, bearings, then true bearing. Then we have also seen what is the difference between the prismatic and the surveyor compass, the temporary adjustments, and then what is a quadrantal bearing and what is an whole circle bearing. We have already studied in the previous class. Now, this particular class, we will be solving some of the problems on the conversion of the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing, and from a reduced bearing to the whole circle bearing. From whole circle, they will give you the whole circle bearings. That means the angle will be in between 0 to 360 degrees, right? So from that 0 to 360 degree, it might be anywhere in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. So in order to convert that whole circle bearing to reduced bearing, how you need to convert it, that we are going to solve the problem. And sometimes they are going to give you the reduced bearing, that is north alpha east, okay, then the south beta east, that is the angle in between the northeast and the angle in between southeast, and in angle in between the your southwest and the northwest will be given. That you need to convert the angle between 0 to 360 degree, that you need to do. In the first, here what you are going to do, the angle will be given in from 0 to 360 degrees, that you are going to convert it into northeast, southeast, southwest, and the northwest. Okay, in order to convert the problem like this, right, in order to have the conversions, right, you need to use certain of the your formulas. Okay, certain of the certain formulas you need to use in order to convert them. So let us discuss the problem, what are the different formulas we need to use in order to convert from the whole circle bearing to your reduced bearing. Okay, so here in the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing, what we are going to do is we are going to convert the angle from 0 to 360 degrees. Here we are going to convert it into the northeast, southeast, southwest, and the northwest. Okay, so in order to bring it to this particular mode, you need to find out the you need to use certain the formulas. Now let us discuss the formulas. Now suppose the angle is in between 0 to 90 in the whole circle bearing. If the angle is in between 0 to 90 degree, then you will be using the formula if in order to convert it into reduced bearing, whatever the angle is there in between 0 to 90 degree, then you will be using the same. Suppose here it is 45 degree is mentioned. Okay, now here instead of 0 to 90, we will take it as say 60 degrees. So here you are going to mention it as north 60 east. Okay, from whole circle bearing you have directly converted into the quadrantal bearing, where wherever you are, whatever the whole circle bearing reading is there, that will be itself the your reduced bearing. Okay, so here since it is in the first quadrant, whatever the whole circle bearing angle is there, that itself will be your reduced bearing. But it is since north since 60 degree lies between north and east, so we are going to write it as north 60 degree east. Okay, so this is how we are going to convert it. Now let us consider the second, right, second whole circle bearing reading, that is 90 to 180 degrees. Okay, if you want to convert it into your reduced bearing, you will be using this particular formula, that is reduced bearing is equal to 180 degree minus WCB. Suppose now the angle 120 is given to you. Okay, now the angle 120 is given to you. You will be whole circle bearing reading is given to you. So you need to convert it into reduced bearing. So 180 degree minus WCB, that is 120 is given. You are going to do minus 120. So you are going to get it as 60. But while writing, what you are going to do is you are going to write it as south 60 degree east. Okay, so here it is going to lie in this particular quadrant, that is the second quadrant. So similarly you are going to do, if the angle is lies between 180 to 270 degrees, then in order to convert that, what you are going to in a reduced bearing, you will be doing it as WCB minus 180. So here in this particular quadrant it is going to lie. So here north is there, east is there, south is there, west is there. So you are going to write it as southwest. Okay. Then if the angle is in between 270 to 360, you will be using the formula RB is equal to 360 minus WCB. Okay. So the important thing is here you need to remember these particular formulas in order to convert it into the from whole circle bearing to reduced bearing system. So 0 to 90 directly whatever the whole circle bearing reading is there, that itself you are reduced bearing, where you are going to write it as northeast. If 90 to 180 it falls in the second quadrant over from here 90 to 180 it falls in the second quadrant, so you will be writing it as southeast. So what I have already told how you are going to have the whole circle bearing reading. What is whole circle bearing I have already discussed in the previous class. Okay, then if the angle lies between 180 to 270, you will be using this formula WCB minus 180. Okay, so it lies in the third quadrant. So here we are going to write it as a southwest. It is lying in the third quadrant. Then OD it is 270 to 360. You will be using the formula 360 minus WCB. Okay, so 360 minus WCB, it is going to lie in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is how you are going to write it as a northwest. So this is how you are going to convert it into the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing system. Now reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. Now reduced bearing is what? They are going to give you the quadrant, the north alpha east, south beta east. They are going to, in between they are going to give you the angle. Instead of alpha beta they are going to give the angle. You need to convert it into your whole circle bearing system. So this is northeast, north beta east, then south theta west, then north phi west. Instead of alpha, beta, theta and phi, they are going to give you certain angle values. Now in order to convert a WCB, if you know these particular formulas, it is very easy to remember these. You can very easily get these formulas. Just mathematically you need to replace it. Okay, so here WCB northeast means it is going to come in the first quadrant, that I have already told you. Southeast means it is going to come under this quadrant. Okay, southeast, okay, this is going to come under the second quadrant. Then southwest, it is going to come under the third quadrant. Quadrant system I have already explained to you. Okay, then northwest, it is going to come under the fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is regarding your understanding of the whole your reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. Now we will see the formulas. If it is the if the angle is going to present in the northeast, you will be whatever the whole circle bearing reading is there, again both the formulas are same. Whatever the reading is there, you are going to write it. Then south beta east, then here you know this particular formula, so you want it in your whole circle bearing. So whole circle bearing, what you are going to do, you are going to take it this side. So 180 minus RB. So whole circle bearing, if you take this side, okay, if you know this for particular formula, you want in a whole circle bearing. Whole circle bearing, if you take this side, then what will remain to you is 180 minus RB. So here it is 180 minus RB. Then again you want this particular thing in your whole circle bearing. So whole circle bearing, here it will become, right, 180 plus RB. If you know this formula, then you can easily calculate this. Then WCB into your reduced bearing. So again you are going to take WCB this side, 360 minus RB. So this is how you are going to have the conversion of your whole circle bearing to reduced bearing and reduced bearing to your your whole circle bearing. Okay, so quadrantal to whole circle to quadrantal. Remember, whole circle bearing, it is going to show the angle in between 0 to 360 degrees, whereas your quadrantal bearing, it is going to be divided into northeast, southeast, southwest and then northwest. So now straight away we are going to solve the problem by knowing these particular formulas. Okay, now we will discuss two problems. One is from whole circle bearing to the quadrantal bearing. Okay, so first problem is your the whole circle bearing of a traverse are recorded as given below, right? Whole circle bearing of a traverse are given as below. You need to convert them to the reduced bearing, from whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Okay, so you will be using these particular formulas that, okay. Now we will have the line AB is going to have the bearing of 70 degree 30 minutes, which is present in the whole circle bearing. BC it is 120 to 45, 120 degree 45 minutes. Then CD it is 223 degree 30 minutes. DA it is 320 degree 47 minutes. So all are given into the whole circle bearing. Now you need to convert it into the your reduced bearing or the quadrantal bearing system. Okay. Now first one is it lies between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, so it lies in between 0 to 90 degree. So what formula we need to use in order to convert the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing? Whatever the reduced bearing is there, that will itself is the whole circle bearing, and then the northeast, we need to use the sign northeast. So here the formula it is 70 degree 30 minutes, so it comes in the northeast. It comes in the northeast. The first quadrant it is going to come. So here what is our formula? That is RB is equal to WCB. Here the formula is RB is equal to WCB. So directly we are going to convert this into by adding north 70 degree 30 minutes east. So it lies in the first quadrant. Since it is going to lie in between northeast, right, we are going to write it as north 70 degree 30 minutes east. Okay, I hope it is understood. This the formula is this. For second, we are having the formula, right, for it is we are going to have the formula, right, yeah, it is WCB, right. We need to convert it into your whole circle bearing is given, so we need to convert it into the reduced bearing system. So here the angle for the second BC, okay, for the second one BC is 120 degree 45 minutes. So it lies in between in between 0 to 180 degrees. So the formula what we are going to have in order to convert it into the reduced bearing system is 180 degree minus whole circle bearing. Now whole circle bearing is 120 degree 45 minutes. So what is whole circle bearing? The angles will be lying in between 0 to 360 degrees. So whole circle bearing reading is 120 degree 45 minutes. So 180 minus 120 degree 45 minutes. So if we do like this, right, we are going to get the answer as, right, I will show you how to do in the calculator. So 180 degree, right, minus 120 degree 45 minutes. So you are going to get the answer as 59 degree 15 minutes. But it lies in which quadrant? It is coming in between north east, right? It is going to come in between southeast. So we are going to write it as south 59 degree 15 minutes east, because it is nearer to the southeast quadrant. Okay, next is we will be using this particular, we need to convert 223 degree 30 minutes into the reduced bearing system. Now 223 degree it falls under the third quadrant, so it is 180 to 270. Okay, so what is the formula? That is WCB minus 180 degree. Now whole circle bearing, it comes under which quadrant? Since the angle is in between 180 to 270, it comes under the third quadrant. So again here it is having south and west. So SW will come over here. This is north, east, south, west. So your angle is, right, it is WCB minus 180 degrees. So 223, right, 223 degrees 30 minutes minus 180 degrees. So you are going to get it as 43 degree 30 minutes, right, and 0 seconds. So it comes in which quadrant? First, second and third quadrant. So it is nearer to, it is 43 degree 30 minutes. So it comes under the third quadrant. Okay, so this is how we are going to convert it into your reduced bearing system. See, in reduced bearing system, always your angles will be northeast, then southeast, then southwest, and then northwest. So you need to angle mention these angles in terms of northeast, southeast, southwest, or northeast. Like this, your angles will be always it is going to come. Then the next thing is you need to convert whole circle bearing of 320 degree 47 minutes. So 320 degree will come into the fourth quadrant. So formula is your 360 minus WCB. Okay, so you are going to 360 degree minus 320 degree 47 minutes. So it come in between the north, and it is going to come in between northwest. Okay, it is going to come in between northwest. Okay, so north 39 degree 13 minutes west. Okay, so this is how you have converted all the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing system. Remember, whole circle bearing, they will be in between 0 to 360 degrees. You are going to convert them into north theta east, or south theta east. That theta is going to whatever the reduced bearing you are going to get, that you are going to replace it over there. Okay, so this is how you have converted the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing system. Now you will be given with in the next method, you need to convert the reduced bearing to the whole circle bearing system. Reduced bearing to the whole circle bearing system you need to convert. Now in the reduced bearing system, always your angles will be in terms of north theta east, or south theta west, or say north theta east. You are going to get the angles in these terms. Now you need to convert these particular angle from 0 to 360 degrees. How we are needed to convert it, that we are going to see in this problem. Okay, now your formula is you need to convert from whole circle bearing to reduced bearing system. So reduced bearing of a line in a traverse are given below. Find the whole circle bearing lines. So this first one is AB is going to lie having the bearing of north 60 degree 25 minutes east. So whatever the angle, since it is in the northeast, it falls under the first quadrant, and it is going to have WCB equal to RB. The formula is WCB equal to RB. So here north, it is north 60 degree 25 minutes, it is going to fall under the first quadrant. So you are going to have the angle 60 degree 25 minutes. So the reason is WCB equal to RB. Then you need to convert this into 180 degree minus RB. Okay, now here the second thing is it comes under southeast. Okay, southeast, it comes under the second quadrant. So you will be using the formula 180 degree minus RB. 180 degree minus RB. So let us see how we will be converting it. 180 degree minus 85 degree 30 minutes. So you are going to get it as 94 degree 30 minutes. So you are going to write it as 94 degree 30 minutes. Then the third quadrant, okay, the third one is southwest. Okay, it is going to come under this particular area. This is southwest, okay, which comes under the third quadrant. So formula is 180 plus RB. RB, whatever the reading is there over here, you need to take it. So 180 plus 25, 180 degree plus 25 degree 45 minutes. You are going to get it as 205, 45 degrees. So you are going to write it as like this. Similarly, DE. Now DE is south 64 degree west. Again the same formula you will be using. It is going to have 64 degree west. So again 180 plus RB. Okay. So 64, whatever the angle is there in between the southwest, that is nothing but going to be its angle. Okay, so this is, we have got it. Again, the next EF is northwest. So northwest, it is going to come under the fourth quadrant. Okay, so again, what is the formula is, it is 360 degree minus RB. So if you reduce 82 degree 45 minutes from 360, you are going to get the answer like this. Okay, then similarly, north 28 degree, again 14 west. So again 360 degree minus RB. Okay, so RB is again into the fourth quadrant. So 360 degrees minus 28 degree 14 minutes. So 331 degree 46 minutes. Okay, so this is how you need to convert your whole circle bearing into the quadrantal bearing, and from quadrantal bearing to the whole circle bearing. Remember, from whole circle bearing to quadrantal bearing, whole circle bearing will be, the angles will be in from 0 to 360 degree. Then you need to convert it into north theta east, north theta west, or south theta east, or south theta west. Those theta values are nothing but whatever the angles you are going to get after having the reduction from the your reduction, or according to the your formulas. Then in the quadrant your reduced bearing to whole circle bearing, reduced bearing will be always in terms of north theta east, south theta east. Then you need to convert the angle between 0 to 360 degree. If you remember this, and if you remember the formulas that we are going to use, then it becomes easy to solve the problems. Okay, in the next class we are going to study regarding the included angles. Okay, so we will be closing the session over here for this particular class. We have, in this class we have seen how the whole circle bearing is converted into the reduced bearing, and reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. Thank you.